Hello everyone, today I am going to tell you about integers. Introduction to integers, rules of operation on integers and everything that you need to know about integers. So now let's start with objectives. So objectives of this session are introduction to integers, integers addition, multiplication of integers, division of integers. So now let us begin with the introduction to integers. So integers are nothing but the numbers which are on the left hand side of the zero. You didn't understood? I will tell you. The numbers which are on the right hand side of the zero, we are been studying them since we have come to our school. That are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. But the numbers which are on the left hand side, that are -1, -2, -3, 4, 5 and so on, are called integers. So 0 is neither a negative integer nor a positive integer. It is called neutral. And this whole thing is called number line. Now let us know how to add positive integers with negative integers. So rule is basically very simple. You need to subtract when you see such type of numbers. You didn't understood? I will tell you. When you see a negative integer, that is a minus sign with a number, and with positive number, that is plus. So you need to subtract both the numbers and put the sign which is in front of the greater digit. That is, I will show you. Here you can see there is -3 and 4, and I am supposed to add them, but I will subtract them because -3 and +4. Plus minus equals to minus. So I have subtracted them and put it the sign of greater integer, that is +4, and the answer is +1. So I hope you understood it. Now let us move on to the second point. The second point is how to add positive integers with positive integers. It is quite simple. When we are supposed to add a positive integer with another positive integer, we will add them and put a plus sign. Let us study this with an example. In this case, I need to add positive integer 2 with another positive integer 2. So the result is +4. That is a positive number. Now let us move on to the third point. How to add negative integers with negative integers. That is, how to add a minus sign with another minus sign. So when we are supposed to add minus sign with another minus sign, we will add it. You didn't understood? Let us study with an example. So this is an example. We are supposed to add -5 with another -5. So I have added it and the answer is 10. I forgot to put a minus sign here, but the answer would be -10. Because minus with a minus equals to 10. And we will put a minus sign because there is no exception. So I have forgot to put a minus sign here. So the answer would be -10. Now let us move on to multiplication of integers. This thing is quite simple. Look at this table. When you are supposed to multiply a negative integer with another negative integer, you will put a positive sign. And when you are supposed to multiply a positive integer with another positive integer, you will put a positive sign. And when you are supposed to multiply positive integer with another negative integer, you will put a negative sign. So you understood it? I will give you an example. Look at these examples. I needed to multiply -5 with -5. So the answer is 25. So minus and there is a plus sign. So the answer is 25. I have a plus, that is positive integer here. I need to multiply it with another positive integer.